Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, August 7th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to make a quick video and give you updates, a couple different updates, all right? But if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 19 years now. I've been working full-time for myself since 2018, and it's my true passion to help other people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So if you didn't see my video yesterday, I did a video reaching out to my viewers asking if you'd be interested in having my Facebook group reopened, okay? And if you don't know nothing about this, I started a Facebook group before the summertime. It was actually this spring, and it was an inner circle mailbox money group, okay, on Facebook, a private group. It was a paid group, and I was charging $8 a month or $48 for the year, okay? And basically it was a group, an accountability group, and I never really did too much with it because at the same time, or shortly after I started the group, we were approached to have a retail shop in Bar Harbor for our soap company. And we thought we were going to move forward with that, and we ended up not for several different reasons. But in the interim, I canceled the Facebook group. I stopped doing it, and I refunded everybody who joined it simply because I didn't want them paying for something that I couldn't commit to. All right, I didn't know. If I had a shop in Bar Harbor, my time was going to be very, very limited. All right. But now that we're moving through the summer, I thought about reopening the group. And yesterday I asked you guys if you were interested in me doing that. And I do appreciate everyone who reached out to me and said that they'd be interested. So I've had enough between my video and then the email I sent out. I have enough people that say that they'd be interested in me reopening the group. So I'm going to reopen the group. I'm just figuring out a few different things simply because I want to make sure it's on the right platform. All right, I could reopen my Facebook group, and it's still going to be a paid group because I want action takers in it. I don't want tire kickers in it. But I want to make sure that if I open it back on Facebook, that's the best option, because I know that Facebook is notorious for just going and, closing down people's Facebook groups for no reason. And I don't want to build up a community and then just have it, have the chance of it being taken down, even though it's not going to be, going against their terms of condition, or, their terms or anything like that, terms and conditions. But it just happens. They have bots that go and they scroll through this stuff, and, sometimes the money-making niche doesn't always get, the best outcome. So I just want to make sure that I do all my due diligence and make sure that that's the right platform. And if not, I'm going to explore a couple other other platforms as well, like school, and there's a couple other membership platforms that are possible to use, all right, for something like this. But either way, I am going to reopen the Facebook group, and I'll keep you posted as I, go through and decide on what route that I'm going to take. But that will be opening back up. And it's just going to be an accountability group. We're going to have live Q&As in there, and just a place for like-minded people in the direct mail space. Okay, so I'm super excited about that. I'm also going to start doing book reviews, and I plan to have my first book review video out sometime tomorrow. I don't know if it's going to be in the morning or if it's going to be in the evening. I don't know even if I'm going to record it and then upload it or do a live book review. I haven't figured that out yet, but that's all going to be something that I work on today. But so, look for my book review video that will be posted sometime tomorrow, and I'm going to start doing book reviews. And I have a couple other things that I'm working on that I'm not going to mention right now, but the Facebook group is definitely something that I'm going to reopen, and I am going to start doing book reviews because people are always asking me what I'm reading, and I do share periodically what I read on my Facebook and YouTube page in the post section. So I'm excited about these things that are coming out, and I'm really excited about the group, whether it be on Facebook or school or another platform. just because I want to build a community around direct mail marketing, because it's such an overlooked marketing method, and it just works perfectly if you are willing to work it. All right. So with that being said, I don't really have anything else for today's videos. I'm just trying to change up things a little bit so that's not always the same type of things. But I think the group will be a positive addition, and I think the book reviews will also be something that, you know, people have expressed interest in me doing. So I will be doing that stuff here right off the bat. And I guess that's it. You know, if you haven't started an opportunity, or if you're looking for an opportunity, you can always go to joinruss.com. All right, joinruss.com. This is where I have my newsletter. I have a 60-minute phone consult. I have a 30-day momentum coaching program. You can check out my opportunities there as well. Connect with me on Facebook. Check out my YouTube channel. And you can reach out to me with any questions on that platform as well. So with that being said, I appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking, subscribing, sharing my videos, giving me feedback. I'm always open to both positive and negative feedback in the comments section. I want to hear, you know, what I can do better, what I shouldn't be doing, things like that. So I appreciate each and every single one of you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.